Most Americans know that Prague is a beautiful city. It's actually the most beautiful city in the Czech Republic. But the Czech Republic hides secrets you would never imagine. And in this video, I'm going to tell you all about them. From a mystery that's hiding in plain sight to one of the most bizarre traditions in human history, these are 8 Czech secrets that Americans don't know about. Number 8. The astronomical clock mystery. The Prague horloge is one of the most famous astronomical clocks in the world. It's over 600 years old and it still works today. For centuries, the clock was so important to locals that they believed bad luck would strike if it ever stopped working. But in 2018, the unthinkable happened. The clock stopped working for a whole day. Experts believe it was a malfunction, but locals were scared that the end of the world might be happening. The clock was eventually fixed and nothing bad happened the next day. But some people still wonder if the mysterious clock holds some kind of dark power. Number 7. Beer capital of the world. No trip to the Czech Republic would be complete without trying their world-famous beer. You might not know that Czechs drink more beer per person than any other nation on Earth. And it is no surprise when you walk around the country and see dozens of beer commercials featuring Czech actors and models. Did you know that your favorite Czech beer might have been invented in the Czech Republic too? The original Pilsner was brewed in Pilsen, which is now part of the Czech Republic. That means the next time you take a sip of your favorite light beer, you can thank the Czech Republic for inventing it. No. 6. The Bone Church. When you visit the small town of Kutná Hora, you'll notice something strange. Most of the buildings in the center of town are made out of human bones. The small chapel known as the Sedlic Ossuary is decorated with over 40,000 human skeletons. The skeletons are arranged in all kinds of unique ways, such as being turned into chandeliers or even used to make coats of arms. It looks like something straight out of a horror movie, but it's actually just a normal church. Well, maybe not so normal. Number 5. Hidden underground tunnels. Most big cities have underground tunnels for trains or subways, but what happens when the trains stop running? Well, the answer is simple. You can explore the abandoned tunnels. There are secret mazes of medieval tunnels, cellars, and even alchemy labs hiding beneath Prague, Brno, and other cities in the Czech Republic. It's not exactly dangerous to walk around down there, but it is illegal, so if you decide to go exploring, make sure you don't get caught. Otherwise, you could be spending the night in a Czech jail. No. 4. Defenestration. Defenestration might sound like a strange word, but it's actually the name of a very real tradition in the Czech Republic. Defenestration simply means throwing things out of a window, but in this case, we're talking about throwing political enemies out of a window. The first defenestration happened in 1419 during the Hussite Revolution. Political prisoners were thrown out of a window at Prague Castle, and they were expected to survive the fall. This tradition continued throughout history and had a major impact on the course of Czech history. In 1848, a group of liberals were thrown out of a window after starting a revolt against the government. Then, in 1948, a communist coup resulted in hundreds of people being thrown out of windows by angry crowds. Today, defenestration is seen as a strange and brutal part of Czech history. No. 3. The Golem of Prague. The Golem of Prague is one of the most famous legends in Czech history. According to legend, a rabbi created a clay monster to protect the Jewish quarter from harm. The monster was brought to life through Jewish mysticism, and it spent its days helping people and scaring away evil spirits. Of course, nothing is real, but many people still believe the body of the golem is hidden in the attic of the old Jewish cemetery in Prague. And now for No. 2. But first, I want to give a big shout out to some supporters. Thanks so much for watching and supporting. If you want to learn about more cool secrets, stay tuned. No. 2. What's your favorite Czech beer? Let me know in the comments. Number 1. The Czech Republic is more than just castles and beer. It's a country full of mystery and intrigue, from secret underground tunnels to a deadly tradition of throwing people out of windows. There's no shortage of things to be amazed by. So the next time you think of visiting the Czech Republic, make sure to bring along an adventurous spirit. You never know what you might find. Thanks for watching.